Psychology was once dominated by behavioral theories and scientists. Then came the cognitive revolution, an explosion of research and findings in the fields of cognitive science and cognitive psychology. The cognitive revolution is a name for an intellectual movement in the 1950s that began what are known collectively as the cognitive sciences. Cognitive science is the interdisciplinary study of mind and intelligence, embracing philosophy, psychology, artificial intelligence, linguistics, and anthropology. Cognitive psychology is a division of psychology that studies the mental processes of memory, attention, problem-solving, emotion, intelligence, learning ability, and perception. A key goal of early cognitive psychology was to apply the scientific method to the study of human cognition. This was done by designing experiments that used computational models of artificial intelligence to systematically test theories about human mental processes in a controlled laboratory. The study of cognitive sciences, understanding the mind and understanding the brain, are ultimately inseparable. The mind is the set of faculties including cognitive aspects such as consciousness, imagination, perception, thinking, intelligence, judgment, language and memory, as well as non-cognitive aspects such as emotion and instinct. Under the scientific physicalist interpretation, the mind is housed at least in part in the brain.